Fix in 5. P0234. P0234 means your turbocharger is pushing boost pressure beyond its safe. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, ML, illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, verify with test drive, note throttle response, loss of turbo boost or inconsistent delivery. Verify with boost gauge or scanner live data, typically 0.8 to 1.2 bar nominal, engine knock or pinging under acceleration. Verify with test drive. Now the most likely causes. Wastegate actuator failure or mechanical stiction, rod stuck in closed position. Typically prevents boost venting above 1.0 to 1.2 bar. Boost control solenoid electrical fault or solenoid stuck, loss of electrical signal to actuator or internal valve blockage. Prevents wastegate modulation. Vacuum hose disconnected. How to fix it. Replace wastegate actuator assembly. Replace or clean boost control solenoid. Replace boost pressure sensor. Inspect and repair or replace turbocharger assembly. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 495 models. What does it cost? Roughly €85, €180 doing it yourself or €205, €300 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0234? Repairing P0234 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus, depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0234. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.